Hey, have you ever tried Sri Lankan Love Cake? I haven't until my friend Nadee shared this super easy recipe with me. It turned out to be an incredibly delicious cake with a unique mix of sweetness and spice. And the texture is just divine, so moist and crumbly. I bet you are going to love this cake just as much as I do. So, let me share with you the recipe for Sri Lankan Love Cake that my friend sent over.
Put the semolina in a pan and roast it on low heat for about 5 minutes. You will see it turn a light yellow color, kind of like sand. Once the semolina has cooled a bit, mix it with a room temperature butter. Chop the cashew nuts into smaller pieces to make them easier to crush. Whisk the egg whites until they are nice and stiff. Mix the egg yolks with the brown sugar until they turn creamy and smooth. Then add some honey and a dash of cardamom and cinnamon and whisk more till everything is well incorporated. Now add the semolina and butter mixture to the egg mixture and give everything a good stir. Add some rose water to the cake batter and then grate some nutmeg. Also add a zest of lime and give the cake batter another good mix. Add the crushed cashew nuts and mix again. Add the beaten egg whites and gently stir, just enough to barely combine them with the batter. Pour the cake batter into a parchment covered baking pan and smooth out the top with a spatula. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Once the cake is done, allow it to cool down, then sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top and cut it into pieces. If you can resist, this cake is even better on the following day.
I hope you enjoyed this Sri Lankan love cake recipe with its wonderful mix of sweet and spicy flavors and that moist, chewy texture. Check out also how to make this deliciously fudgy and chewy peanut butter brownie recipe I found on Reddit. Check it out now.